today we're going to be introducing you to our Neo Matrix mask. So talking all about it today, I thought I'd show you first how it comes. So it comes in its own little protective box, little case there for you to see. And unboxing it now so we can have a look, see what's in there. So it comes with straps because it's portable. You can wear it around the house as you need to do things. I certainly do. While I'm doing washing usually, actually. Anyway, so moving on, showing you. So it comes in a nice little protective case like that. Just taking it out now. I've already attached the straps so you can have a look, see what it looks like. There you go. There's the mask for you there. And it comes with a little charger and a stand as well, also in its own little case. So it stands up really nicely and easily on there. And there you go, that's how it stays. Really, really easy to use, really easy to store. And then you'll get your little instructions manual there. So just having a look at the mask, so like I said, straps have been attached. Inside the mask, we'll have a look there. Really easy touchscreen interface. So just switch it on there. So green light's on, then you know the mask is now on. So here you have your red and near infrared light. There you have your blue light. And then finally you have your purple light, which is a combination of both the red and the blue. And then off. So just showing you how easy it is to strap on and get on the go. And already clipped in, ready to go, easy to do, folding, washing, and get on with it. So just popping the light on there. There you go, green light, you know that's on. So this is now the red light setting. You can see it's kind of changed the colour inside there. So you've got blue, and then you've got purple. So just leaving it off for a second, pop it off so you can hear me and I can talk a little bit more about what it does. What the Neo Matrix mask does. So this clever little mask has 690 LEDs packed into it with 3 different light settings. So no matter what your skin concern is, you can treat it at home. Starting with the red and near infrared light. Now what that does is that works to boost collagen production as well as smoothen out any fine lines and wrinkles. It also improves blood circulation and accelerates skin healing. Then the blue light, now that's a great antibacterial light. What it does is it also helps to reduce any redness and inflammation going on in the skin. It also kills main spot causing bacteria as well, so really, really great for acne prone skin types. Then finally you have your combination light, which is the red and blue, creating our purple light. Now what that does is it actually improves skin clarity and it helps to heal and repair the skin as well as, brighten up the skin, really boost skin health. So no matter what your skin concern is, the mask will be able to treat it. Now initially starting the course, you would wear the mask for 20 minutes every day for 20 days. Now everyone's skin is different and you will be the best judge on what's happening with your skin. So after 20 days, if you still see that your improvements need to be made, then continue with the cycle, using it every day until you start to see the changes in your skin. Someone that has maybe a few little problematic spots, 20 days might sort that acne right out, whereas someone that has more aggressive hormonal acne, 20 days might not cover it. So you are the best judge of what's happening with your skin. Have a look at it after treatment every day, see what's happening, and after 20 days you don't feel that's quite been enough, then continue using for a little bit longer. But if 20 days really, really helps reduce anything that you had going on in the skin, then you can reduce it down to twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. It's really dependent on how you feel about using the mask and what the results are being produced for you. So how to get the most out of your mask. Obviously, we've just discussed using it for 20 minutes, initially for 20 days, but what you want to do is you want to have clear skin. So cleanse your face, double cleanse if you need to, remove makeup, remove anything that's on the skin. Don't use with any serums or retinols, anything like that. You want clear skin. What you do is you then pop your mask on for 20 minutes, really easy to use, and then thereafter, if you have sheet masks that you want to combine with it, because purchasing does include sheet masks, they're actually really lovely. That's for a different video though. But yes, sheet masks, any serums, at least a barrier, an SPF, moisturizer, whatever works for your skin. It's a great opportunity just after using the LED to put that on, because what the LED is also going to help with is product penetration into your skin. So whatever you've been putting on your skin, it's just going to get in that little bit further and produce a little bit more result for you. So it's a win-win to use with your favorite at-home serums and skincare as well. So I hope I've answered a few questions about the mask and given you a good idea of what that looks like and how you get to use that at home. And please let us know if you have any other questions. We're here to help.